Welcome back to the KhazinaDigital series. We've talked about design, efficiency, and expanding the use of your screens. But a business is only as strong as its numbers. Today, we're talking about something every business owner cares about: return on investment. How do you know your digital signage is actually working for you? For too long, digital menu boards have been seen as a one-and-done purchase, a static asset with no measurable impact. But with a modern cloud-based system, your screens are gathering valuable data every single day. This data is your secret weapon. It allows you to move from guessing to knowing. Let's start with the most important metric: sales. Did you know you can use your digital signage to A/B test promotions? For example, show a special offer for a coffee and muffin combo on one day and a coffee and pastry combo on the next. Then simply cross-reference your point of sale data. Which combo sold more? This simple test can reveal what your customers truly want. By tracking sales data before and after a menu design change, or when you introduce a new animated special, you can directly link your signage to an increase in your average order value or a boost in sales for a specific high-margin item. Beyond direct sales, your signage can provide insights into customer behavior. Are certain menu items always in the eye flow of your menu, but not selling? Maybe the description needs to be more compelling. Is a particular promotion running at a specific time of day proving to be very effective? You can use that information to create a more efficient schedule. The right software can also provide data on a per-screen basis, showing you which locations are engaging customers most effectively. This is the kind of data that helps you make informed business decisions, not just guess. It's about leveraging technology to optimize your business. So stop looking at your digital signage as just a display. It is a powerful data collection and optimization tool. You're not just buying a screen, you're investing in a system that helps you understand your customers and your business better than ever before. This is the key to proving its value and ensuring it pays for itself many times over. In our final episode, we'll bring it all together and show you how to take the first steps towards mastering your digital signage journey. Don't miss the conclusion of our series. Subscribe to KhazinaDigital.